Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to emote in Call of Duty. So if you want to learn how, keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that little subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. First, open your Call of Duty mobile game and make sure that you are logged into your account. From the main homepage, select the multiplayer or the battle royale mode from the right hand side. Now, right at the bottom of your username, you'll be able to see a little emoji icon. Tap on it and select the emote you'd like to use. That is how it can be done. You can also customize your emotes in the game settings. That is how you can easily and quickly emote in Call of Duty mobile game. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.